What's going on, guys? Here I have a NordicTrack Treadmill, and I want to show you this really cool feature where you can run with Google Maps. So this feature is ifit, and on the bottom here we have a create button, and it's going to bring up a map with Google Maps, and basically you can run anywhere where it has Street View. So you can see anywhere in the world. We basically tap on a starting place, and then we tap on an ending place. And then we can save that workout and then run it in Google Maps. So I've gone ahead and created one already. So let's exit this here, go to my favorites. And this is actually cool because it is my run home from work. And it will start playing music as well. So as you guys can see, this is Washington, D.C. in the city, and this is Google Street View. I'm going to turn the volume down, guys. And as you're running, it loads new photos. So this doesn't smoothly stream like a video, it just loads images on Google Maps. It's also really cool because the incline will change with the terrain of Google Maps. So if you're going uphill, the incline will actually increase, and if you're going downhill, it will also decrease. If you do run quicker, say let's put it at a speed of 7, the images do load quicker, so to simulate running quicker. So you can see here the images are going a little bit quicker now. So there you guys go. That is a quick overview of running with Google Maps. It would have been really awesome if this streamed smoothly. So like if you were, if it was a video. However, that's not the case. Hopefully there will be something like that in the future. But little cool trick on this NordicTrack Treadmill. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. And if you have any questions on this treadmill, feel free to leave them down below. And check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.